our memories gather around her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Kawayan Road, ang paulay na Alicia Road, 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 check it out. San Isidro Road, nagkarap, out, 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 out. Echayla, out, 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 out. At the loud, 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 damang road. Tirahin yun! I hear her voice in the morning, now she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving on the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Animal kit day. Ananga road, 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 bakla nga road, 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 tumboy nga road, 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 chismosa nga road. Nagkaro, out, 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 out. Ijayla, out, 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 out. At the loud, 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 damang road. Ananga road, 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 mamarteg nga road, 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 mamarteg nga road. Sugador nga road, nagkaro, out, 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 out. Ijayla, out, 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 out. At the loud, 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 damang road. Ananga road, Boston nga road, may sabay nga road, sa Dengmon nga road. Talpasay. Ayan, maraming salamat sa nag-request. 0905-884-6163, verified. Ayan. Siyempre, hello sa mga viewers po natin na nasa labas. Ayan, naging viewers ng Aratarwal, hello po sa inyo. Nagswerte kayo, one entrance nyo, magbubuya kayo. Sobrang kayo, ano kayo, pwede tanay. So, pwede tagsi 50. Mangri na kayo, gal-gal-gal kayo dito, di kayo pa'y mangtal.